Shell model. Shell model was proposed by scientists to understand the behavior of nucleus in an atom. Previously, liquid drop model could not explain certain properties, and hence in 1947, Maria Mayer and J.H. Jensen combinedly proposed the concept of shell model to understand the magic numbers. According to this model, the nucleus consists of series of protons and neutrons in discrete energy levels called as shells, similar to the arrangement of electrons in an atom. As the electrons are arranged in an atom in s, p, d orbitals, similar arrangement is assumed by this shell model in the case of neutrons and protons. And even in the case of nucleus also, Pauli's exclusion principle was obeyed. So according to this Pauli's exclusion principle, two protons and two neutrons having opposite spins are accommodated in a particular shell. In this way, the first shell accommodates only two nucleons and is more stable and tightly bound than any other shells. The experimental facts show that the nuclei with the following number of neutrons and protons are more stable. That is, the nuclei having protons or neutrons equal to 2 or 8 or 20, 28, 50, 82 and 126 are more stable compared with nucleus having any other number apart from these numbers, and hence these numbers are known as magic numbers. These numbers itself show that there are definite energy, discrete energy levels in the nucleus, and the structure of nucleus, arrangement of neutrons and protons can be understood from the simple example of onion. I am sure everyone could have seen onions having two buds which are attached at the base, appearing for us to be a single onion or single bud. Now in this arrangement, we have two buds separated by a small distance, and each bud will have different layers. Now if we assume protons and neutrons in a discrete energy levels arranged individually, the arrangement will be similar to this onion. ఆనియన్లో ఎలాగైతే రెండు పిలకలు సపరేట్గా ఉంటాయో, సిమిలర్లీ ద అరేంజ్మెంట్ ఆఫ్ న్యూట్రాన్స్ ఈజ్ వన్ బడ్ అనుకుంటే ద అరేంజ్మెంట్ ఆఫ్ ప్రోటాన్స్ విల్ బీ ది అదర్ బడ్. ఇన్ దిస్ వే బోత్ కంబైన్ ఫార్మింగ్ ఏ న్యూక్లియస్. The inner arrangement of protons and neutrons in energy levels can be understood from the layers of onions. The smallest, thinnest middle part corresponds to first shell where two protons or two neutrons can be accommodated. The other layer corresponding to the first layer, corresponds to next shell which can accommodate 8 protons or neutrons. In this way, the arrangement of protons and neutrons in a nucleus takes place in the form of shells. The experimental evidences are as follows. The nuclei for which Z atomic number and n number of neutrons are 2 in the case of helium, 8 in the case of oxygen, are more stable than their neighbors in the periodic table. Like oxygen atomic number is 8, followed by fluorine. Oxygen atomic number is 8. If you look at the other elements on either side of this fluorine oxygen, we could find less stable elements with Z atomic number 7 corresponding to nitrogen, 9 corresponding to fluorine. When you compare the stability of oxygen, it is more stable than fluorine and nitrogen. Similarly, the nuclei for which Z or A minus Z is magic number are more stable. Example, nickel 2862, where the number of neutrons is 28, number of protons is 28 and neutrons is 34. The nuclei for which the magic numbers are the number of protons and neutrons existing are given as nickel, strontium, stannum, lead. The binding energy curve also shows breaks or kinks at these nuclei corresponding to sudden increase in the binding energy of the nucleon. The electric quadrupole moment of nuclei having magic number of protons and neutrons are very low compared with those of other nuclei, thus resulting in spherical charge distribution. The arrangement and the value of energies can be understood from this figure. This figure corresponds to a potential well where the arrangement of neutrons or protons and the energy levels can be clearly seen in the picture. 0 corresponds to the first energy level where the shell is given by S and the number of protons or neutrons that can be accommodated is given by 2. Following, the next energy level is considered as 1, principal quantum number relating to p orbital, and the number of neutrons or protons that can be placed in the second energy level is 8. Similarly, third energy level can accommodate 20 protons or neutrons, fourth can accommodate 28, next level can accommodate 50, next level can accommodate 82, and the next can accommodate 126. In this way, the figure shows discrete energy levels corresponding to finite number of protons or neutrons that can be accommodated. It has also been observed that even nuclei are more stable than odd nuclei. On the other hand, an odd nuclei contains incomplete shell, resulting in less stability. This is the arrangement of neutrons or protons proposed according to shell model. As an example, uranium is considered. If we count the number of protons or neutrons, the first shell will only have 2, where the second has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the third will have 20, fourth 28. So, if you count the number of protons or neutrons accommodated in each shell, it will follow the potential well, which we have already discussed in our previous slides. And this is all about the stability of the nucleus having magic number of neutrons or protons. The merits and demerits of shell model are as follows. This model has been successful in explaining the concept of magic numbers. This model was also able to explain observed angular momentum, magnetic momentums and electric quadrupole moments of nuclei. But shell model also failed in explaining larger nuclear quadrupole moments and spheroidal shapes of many nuclei, due to which there came another model called as collective model, which would be discussed in next class. So this is all about our shell model.